What if I told you the stock market just hit a secret bottom on April 7th? An invisible line drawn not by fundamentals but by panic and chaos. What if that moment could be your golden opportunity to strike? Welcome to the hidden drama behind today's market madness, where tariffs, supply chain nightmares, and geopolitical shocks are rewriting the rules of investing. And lurking in this storm is a tech giant poised to explode, the trade desk. This isn't just finance. This is a high-stakes thriller unfolding right before your eyes. Stay with me because what you're about to discover could change everything about how you see the market and your money. But beware. The next 9 months promise a roller coaster of polluted economic data, numbers twisted by tariffs, supply chain chaos, and a phenomenon called the bullwhip effect, where small shocks ripple into massive swings. How do you navigate a market where the truth is buried under layers of distortion? Legendary market strategist Tom Lee believes the S&P 500 bottomed at 4,835. Not because the economy is strong, but because panic pushed prices down too far. This means the market could be primed for a rebound if the noise settles. Yet the data we rely on is unreliable. Tariffs have forced companies to front-load purchases, inflating consumption figures temporarily. Goods are stuck in bonded warehouses, hiding real inventory levels. Global trade is signaling danger with a 75% chance of a U.S. recession this year, according to supply chain experts. GDP growth forecasts have flipped from a hopeful 2% to a contraction of negative 0.3%. The economy is a puzzle with missing pieces. So what's the smart move? Don't panic sell. Instead, learn to read between the lines. Understand that short-term volatility is noise. If trade tensions ease and tariffs roll back, the market could stabilize and soar. If not, brace for turbulence. This is a time for cautious optimism and strategic positioning, not blind reactions. Now imagine a company thriving in this chaos. A tech powerhouse quietly rewriting the rules of advertising with AI and machine learning. Could this be the sleeper stock ready to rocket once the fog lifts? Meet the Trade Desk, a $27 billion juggernaut in programmatic digital advertising. They help brands buy and manage ads across websites, apps, and streaming platforms in real time, using cutting-edge AI to target customers with surgical precision. In 2024, they raked in $2.44 billion in revenue with a profit margin over 20%. Yet, despite these stellar numbers, their stock trades at $54.90, far below an estimated fair value of $140.54. Why? Because recent earnings missed expectations for the first time in over 33 quarters, shaking investor confidence. But here's the twist. Analysts remain bullish. The Trade Desk is aggressively expanding into connected TV advertising, partnering with streaming platforms, and teaming up with Nielsen IQ to supercharge targeting capabilities. Their low debt and strong return on equity show solid financial health. If they execute their growth plan, the stock could surge dramatically once market conditions improve. This is a classic case of short-term pain hiding long-term gain. So, how do you balance the stormy seas of macroeconomic uncertainty with the beacon of innovation shining from companies like the Trade Desk? The answer lies in mastering the art of market psychology and strategic patience. The distorted economic data is a smokescreen designed by tariffs and supply chain disruptions. Behind it, opportunities are emerging in disruptive tech sectors that are reshaping how businesses operate and advertise. Investors who can see past the noise and identify quality growth stories will be the ones who win big. Your strategy? Stay informed. Watch trade developments closely. Position yourself in companies with strong fundamentals, innovative technology, and clear growth paths. Avoid knee-jerk reactions to volatile data. The market's next move depends on global trade clarity and tariff policies. But in the meantime, companies like the Trade Desk offer a compelling growth story worth your attention. In this volatile world, where economic data lies and markets swing wildly, your best weapon is knowledge and the courage to act when others hesitate. The April 7th bottom might just be the calm before the storm, or the dawn of a new bull run. The Trade Desk stands as a symbol of resilience and innovation amid uncertainty. This is more than investing. It's a journey through chaos to opportunity. Stay sharp, stay curious, and remember, the market's greatest dramas often hide its biggest rewards.